Hi everyone, I'm Joan Cabarrus and welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. We will sculpt lots of dog breeds with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hello everybody! Thank you so much for tuning in! Welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. This is a sculpting show for beginners and the main medium that we use here is polymer clay. Polymer clay is a clay that is bakeable. This type of clay has a mixture of plastic. You don't need any kiln or special gadgets with this, just either a toaster oven or a conventional oven, the big one. It depends on how big of a sculpture you're gonna create. Today's episode is Pembroke Welsh Corgi. He's the most introverted dog in the neighborhood. He calls himself the loner, but he's not that lonely at all. What are you doing here, Corgigo?
Nothing much.
Why aren't you playing with the other dogs?
You know, I'm always a loner.
I just feel bad for you sometimes.
I'm so used to it. I've always been an introvert.
If it works for you, good.
Okay, I'll see you upstairs. I'm gonna go to your art studio and wait for you there.
I'm almost done here.
Puggy?
Corgigo!
What are you doing up there?
It's my turn, right?
No, it's not. It's my turn to be sculpted.
Aww, I've been waiting there.
I'm sorry. I was just talking to Joanne at the playground.
Okay. Hi, Corgigo. Thanks for waiting. There's gonna be a Doggo Bake meeting in 30 minutes. And we are going to talk about how we are going to expand the Doggo Bake community. The Doggo Bake community is getting bigger and bigger, and we're actually start to attract all the other animals too. So the Doggo Bake community is becoming more diverse. A lot more animals, different kind of animals are starting to come over here and relocate. All right, Corgigo, I'm gonna hurry up now. Let's show them how to sculpt a Corgi dog, okay?
Let's do it.
Prepare your supplies. Polymer clay, toothpicks, any tool with a rounded tip and Russian baby oil. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake books, and the Corgi tutorial will be found in the Doggo Bake book too. What do you think about this sculpture? Very simple, right? The features that we want to definitely emphasize are those ears. Ears are big and upright. The face are kind of thin and long, especially the legs. The legs are short. Please remember to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3 to learn 60 dog breeds to create. The steps that are shown in the projects, it will tell you what kind of shape you're going to create. Please subscribe to my channel. Click that bell on the right side so you can follow all the other episodes that's coming out in the future. See you again next Friday for another dog.
FIFA!